Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny Done Crazy Marcus here with this week's episode of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. We're on episode 14 this week. This week we will be making a sort of sausage casserole type thing. So ingredients, of course, sausages. We do have some sort of a casserole mix, not really a casserole mix, but hopefully it will just sort of do the job. And we've got some mushrooms as well, guys. First things first, I'm going to chop the sausages up. See you in a minute. Okay guys, going to cut the sausages up now and just place them into the pan. Don't want them to be too big. Hopefully this will taste delicious this week, guys. Just spread them all out as well, make sure they all cook well and fully. Hope you've all had a nice Easter weekend as well, everyone. Hope you got a lot of chocolate. Right, okay guys, going to cook them up first, then I'll put the sauce and mushrooms in afterwards. Okay, they're in the oven. See you in a minute. Okay, forgot to put the chips in. Better get them in. Okay, see you in a couple minutes time when the sausages are done. Okay, so I've decided to speed things up a bit because my mic's very hungry tonight. Going to heat the sauce up and cook the mushrooms in the sauce first. Just going to cut the sort of carton open. Hopefully that has done it. Yeah, I think that's open. I have probably made a white pig's ear of this, guys. Hopefully there is enough sort of mixture here to make the stuff. Just trying to get every last drop out. Okay, going to warm the sauce up now. Hopefully I've put the gas on. Yep. And just stir everything round. And of course, not forget to put the mushrooms in. Nice big mushrooms as well, guys. Make sure I don't waste any. That's enough. Then just sort of mix everything into the mixture. make sure we are getting a nice taste. And I'll see you soon when everything's cooked. Okay, sausages are done. I'm going to add them to the casserole mixture now. Hopefully, he says. Okay, and just mix it. Then I will eventually add my secret ingredient, white wine. Now, I know a few of you might say, Marcus, you meant to do it with red wine, not white wine. Well, that's why I'm doing white wine. Get a few of you moaning at me. End of the day, it's my sort of recipe that I can add anything I want, to be honest. If I wanted to add some cider to it, I could do that. Maybe some chocolate. Nah, that probably wouldn't go too good with a casserole. Okay, mix it up a bit, just go get the wine. See you in a minute. Okay, so I've got 2 secret ingredients I'm going to put in. Drop of Worcestershire sauce, the Spanish version, and a drop of Vino Blanco. To you Brits, white wine. So first, just a tiny wee drop of Worcestershire sauce. Bit more. Yeah, that's enough. Just quickly mix that in, make sure everything is sort of nice and mixed in and it all soaks in. Then I think it's time to add some Fino. That enough? No. Sorry guys, got the cameraman Mike who's trying to make us get drunk off tonight's meal. I think that's going to be enough. Then basically just mix it all in, guys, hoping that your mushrooms and your sausages will soak up most of the flavour that has gone into the casserole. I will see you soon. Okay guys, time to dish everything up, then it'll be ready for the all important taste test. Can't wait guys. Got some beautiful crinkle cut chips. Drop one down. Just trying to make sure we all sort of get an equal amount. Honest to God guys, the smell of the casserole is just amazing. I wish YouTube had smell-o-vision. Okay, dish up the casserole now. Make sure I get some good amounts of it for everyone. Looks gorgeous. Put that over there for a minute.
I know that would happen. What's going on here, Marcus? He pumped it off.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay, there you have it. Homemade sausage casserole. Can't wait to tuck in. Okay, time for the taste test.
Looks nice.
Yeah, looks very nice, guys. I am going to start off by trying a bit of the sausage.
Careful.
Got
Quite
a
a bit
nice
hot.
amount of mixture. Oh wow.
I'll try a bit of the sauce.
Yeah, that is nice, guys.
Mushrooms.
Yeah, you're getting the taste of the tomato sauce we've done them in. Getting a tiny bit of the wine taste as well as the Worcestershire sauce. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Try a bit more while I'm here.
It is hard to get these sort of things over here, like your sauces.
So I think I'll give it an 8 out of 10 this week. What you thinking, Scooter Sue?
A 9.
A 9. Perfect. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures in cooking with Marcus. Adios.